cold leather.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy General 305, man. I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, man. And today we got those Kobe Grinches on deck, man. This is the 2010 pair, so that's probably why it looks a little different. And don't be alarmed by the color on the screen. The color on the screen, the shoe absorbs a lot of light. Because it's a very light shoe, it's a lot of green in it, and it's absorbing a lot of the light on the shoe. This is the extra set of laces that comes with the shoe, but that's more of the way the shoe looks right there. So don't be alarmed by what you see on the camera. It's just a lot of light being sucked in. So you'll see this outside when we do the on foot, but that's really what the shoe looks like right there in the background, okay? These ones right here, they're from Lisa. She went ahead and sent these over for a review. She was so kind to let me do a review for her. Her IG, I will post on my Instagram. So if you wanna know where to get these joints, go to my Instagram and you can look at my photos and you'll see her IG is attached to that, okay? So before I get started and breaking it down, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Go to my Instagram page. That's where you will find all the plugs for the videos. Go to the Instagram page. Also, check me out on that TikTok. The TikTok is popping. Kobe Grinch, you already know what the Kobe Grinches is about. Don't really need to go too in depth with it, but I want you to know that this is the 2010 version. This is not the 2020 version. The 2010 version has a lot more yellow highlights down the tongue, down the laces, around the back here on the heel, and over the toe box. The 2020 version has a lot more green in it. It's not as yellow, okay? Make sure you guys note that, because I see videos out there, people saying that the shoe doesn't look good on the UA side and all this other stuff, but the shoe actually looks quite perfect. I'm not trying to say go and get the shoe or nothing like that. I don't condone the sale or resale of UA goods, but if that's what you want to do, you do what you want with your own money. Don't let me tell you what to do. But I can tell you that this one looks hella good. Make sure you guys remember this is an educational video. I'm just showing you guys what's out there. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm just showing you what's out there, okay? If you want to get these joints on StockX or GOAT, you're going to pay a pretty penny. I think it's in like $800 range for a basketball shoe, which is kind of crazy. Also, a lot of people got a lot of questions on performance. They want to know how the shoe feels on the court. Will it hold up? Can you play, basketball at a high level in the shoe? Play pickup games. Will the shoe fall apart? And I can only give you my opinion. If you want to know further, you're going to have to do it yourself. Let's just break it down real quick. You guys already know about the Kobe 6 itself. It has the scales, all that good stuff, like a snake, because Kobe was the Mamba, right? You got that silhouette of those snake scales all over the shoe. I do like this. I think it's very unique. I like the way they did it. There's a lot of scales on here and they do pop up. It's a lot of grip here. It's like a rubber material on here. So that looks dope. I like how they have that Nike swoosh kind of just sprayed in there. That's nice. And you kind of get some of that Black Mamba vibe going in there. So that looks dope. You got the nice neon yellow laces going up through. Mamba symbol here on the tongue. And then you got your Nike Zoom Air. Now, this is not the Protro version. This is the 2010 version. The Protro, they retooled the shoe. They got a lot more, tech in the shoe to support the player, right? So there's a lot more tech in that Protro version, which is the 2020 version. So this one has a little less tech. I can say that the shoe is very lightweight. It will flex and mold to your foot. This material underneath that you guys can see here under those scales is very stretchy. So your foot can flex and it can breathe in the shoe. You got a lot of venting in the shoe as well. You see that? Your foot's not going to overheat in there. It's very, very nice. You have a lot of good venting material in there. So there's that technology there. Medial side of the shoe looks pretty basic, just like the lateral side of the shoe. The heel of the shoe looks very good. You have this cup here. It is a plastic cup. It does protect your heel, and that's what it was designed for. A lot of people drive to the basket like Kobe. They need support. People step on their feet. They step on their heels. This right here, that is plastic. It will protect you, and it's very hard plastic. It's not going to break on you, but it can flex a little bit. It's got a little bit of flexible material there. Material here is leather, but it's not patent leather, and I've seen people say that it's patent leather. It is not patent leather. This is just a spray, some type of shiny spray finish on this leather here, and that's why it looks like that. You have to note that on some of the UA versions, signature in the back usually is lower, but on this pair, they got it right. They definitely got it right on this pair. The outsole of the shoe looks very nice. You got your Mamba symbol there. That looks good. I'm surprised at this tread. I'm actually wondering what this tread is gonna do. I don't know what kind of traction this is, but I've heard good things about it, but I don't know what type of traction this is. I'm usually used to like herringbone or rubber cup sole or something like that, but I don't know what kind of traction this is. So I'm not sure what the grip is gonna be like when I do the on foot. I plan on doing one outside and I plan on doing one indoors. So we'll see what happens with that. Got your carbon fiber vibes in there. That looks very nice. And that is carbon fiber. That looks pretty good there. So not too bad. Insole of the shoe, got yourself here. You got the insole. It says, I want a shoe that molds to my foot. And it does. The shoe does. I went up a size 11 on these. All basketball shoes, I usually try and go half a size up. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's a big shoe, I try to go to half a size up. All right. So very, very glad Lisa went ahead and sent these over for me. I do like the shoe. I love it. I'm so glad I have this pair. If I had to rate this pair on a scale of 1 to 10 for colorway, I would give it about an 8. I'm not really too much of a fan of the neon green and the green and all that other stuff. I think that's kind of basic, but it does play on the Mamba snake kind of thing. So I think that's pretty dope. So I'll give it an 8. Construction of the shoe and the materials used, it feels just like the real one. I know somebody that I know has the real shoe. I don't know who it is, but I will find out. And I will try and get a retail versus rep type of deal. As far as I know, I'll give it a 9.5. I think it's good. It does fit true to size. It feels good on your foot. It's very lightweight. You will have no problems wearing these joints. So that's pretty much all I got for this joint. Let's go to the basketball court, get a little on foot over there, see how it feels, get a little performance going, and then I'll let you guys know what I think about it. All right. So you guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Let's go to this on foot. All right. See you on the next one. I ain't done this basketball thing in a long time, so brother's tired. I work out all the time. Basketball I haven't played in a long time. All right, y'all. Overall, Grinch is super dope. The grip, really good grip on the court. And I played on the outdoor court today just to see how it was because I knew it would be a little slippery. Very good grip. The one thing I could say is make sure you lace up your shoes tight. Your foot's gonna flex in the shoe. Damn, I'm out of breath. When your foot
flexes, the shoe's gonna flex with your foot. When you slide or when you jab step, the step back, layups, anything that's like a hard cut, you wanna make sure that you lace the shoe up relatively good. Otherwise your shoe's gonna your foot's gonna slide in the shoe a little bit. Other than that, I like it. It's got really, really good tread. It's really comfortable. My feet don't hurt. It's lightweight and it's just a good shoe. I suggest getting it. I figure since I'm working out in this video and testing the shoe out, I touch on a little thing called tachycardia. There's bradycardia, there's tachycardia. That's the heart rate. Right now, I'm a little tachycardic. The reason I'm tachycardic is because I got myself worked up, right? I've been working out. My heart rate is up. It's beating fast. What does that mean? Fast heart rate, you working out. Why does your heart beat faster when you work out? Your body's demanding more oxygen. When your body demands more oxygen, your heart beats faster. It's trying to pump as much oxygenated blood to your muscles and your vital organs as it can because your O2 demand has increased. It's gone up. So remember that tachycardia, all right?